When it comes to versatility, durability, and efficiency in cookware, this Amazon Basics 2-piece stainless steel frying pan set stands out as a practical, budget-friendly option for every kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, these 8-inch and 10-inch frying pans promise to elevate your cooking experience with their premium features and high-quality construction. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at what makes this set worth considering. From its sturdy build to its performance on various stovetops, this article will help you decide if this product deserves a place in your kitchen. Why choose the Amazon Basics frying pan set? Cooking requires tools that can keep up with your culinary ambitions. The Amazon Basics stainless steel pans offer a combination of affordability and reliability, ensuring you don't compromise on quality even with a modest budget. Key features that make it stand out. 1. Durable construction. Made from heavy-gauge 18/8 stainless steel, these pans are designed to last. The sturdy aluminum core in the pan bottom ensures quick and even heat distribution, reducing hotspots that can burn your food. 2. Versatility in the kitchen. These pans are compatible with almost all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. Plus, they're oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees, allowing you to easily transition from stovetop to oven for recipes like frittatas or baked chicken. 3. Stay cool handles. The riveted stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed to stay cool during stovetop use, making them safe and comfortable to handle. 4. Easy maintenance. With a polished mirror finish, these pans not only look sleek, but are also easy to clean. While dishwasher safe, hand washing with mild soap and water is recommended to maintain their shiny appearance. What's missing? While the Amazon Basics frying pan set boasts numerous advantages, it's worth noting that it doesn't include lids. If you require lids for steaming or simmering, you might need to purchase them separately. However, this minor drawback is overshadowed by the pan's impressive performance. Who is this pan set perfect for? This frying pan set is ideal for home cooks looking for durable yet affordable cookware, college students or those moving into their first apartment, experienced chefs in need of backup or multifunctional pans. Whether you're searing steak, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes, these pans offer unmatched versatility and convenience. Real-life performance. A hands-on experience. We put the Amazon Basics frying pan set to the test, preparing several dishes ranging from delicate eggs to robust stir-fried meats. Here's what we found. Eggs and pancakes. The even heat distribution prevented sticking, even without excessive oil. Searing meat. Achieved a perfect golden brown crust thanks to the high heat tolerance and aluminum core. Vegetables. Retained crispness and vibrant colors, showing the pan's excellent heat control. The pan's ability to maintain consistent heat and their ergonomic handles made cooking enjoyable and hassle-free. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. Priced competitively, the Amazon Basics frying pan set delivers quality, functionality, and durability. Comparable pans from other brands can be significantly more expensive, making this set an exceptional value. Maintenance tips to maximize longevity. Avoid using metal utensils to prevent scratches. Opt for wooden or silicone alternatives. Hand wash whenever possible to maintain the mirror finish. Allow the pan to cool before washing to prevent warping. Final thoughts. The Amazon Basics 2-piece oven-safe stainless steel induction frying pan set is a reliable addition to any kitchen. With its premium materials, excellent performance, and budget-friendly price, it's hard to find a better option in this category. Whether you're whipping up quick breakfasts or experimenting with gourmet recipes, these pans have got you covered. Don't wait to upgrade your cookware. This set offers incredible value and functionality that you'll appreciate with every use. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.